are here with our new partners from the Goodyear FIA European Truck Racing Championship. We got Total Energy, we got Goodyear, and of course we got JOST, a German brand, and we got Christine Sindrich, she's Manager Marketing Communication, and you are brand new to the crew here. What can all the spectators learn from you here in the coupling systems?
Yes, first of all, we are very happy to be here, our first truck race, and in Misano, such a nice atmosphere, perfect weather, and we are here foremost with our JOST truck stop. That's our video series where people can learn how to repair and mount our products. And so we have here our kind of evergreen fifth wheel, the JSK 42, and a half axle, and also our landing gear, which is very popular and also easy to use. Yeah,
I like it. The JSK 42. I'm like, that sounds very serious. Actually, the trucks, the race trucks, they're still close to the street trucks. So, like the coupling, they're still mounted on the race trucks. So, is it important for you, as the audience, as the fans, mostly truck drivers, to present your products over here? Because this one is like normally used on the street.
Exactly. So our goal here is to connect with the truck driver community here, the real end user who has to use our products in daily business. And our goal is, or our solutions are developed for safety, reliability, and easy handling. And that's the most important thing, because the job of a truck driver is very hard enough.
True, and it really has to connect well to the weight that's like in the rear of the truck. Shall we walk over to the braking system? Because
Absolutely.
I really want all the audience to see what's going on over there. Like me, I have a truck myself, but I'm normally working on buggy, so it's very small, and then you see like this big system. So by the way, if one of you is a mechanic and you're still seeking a job in the race world, all the teams are always happy to find some really proper and good mechanics that are eager about racing. So just write the teams if you want to come in here. And I heard that you're also teaching people. Do you have people coming here asking you questions about how they can work on stuff?
Yeah, definitely. So when it's crowded, we start to explain in our truck stop sessions, like in our videos that you can also see here. And people can learn. We also have everything, all the repair stuff, so that they can change themselves the things and learn how to do it.
Yeah, that's absolutely amazing to be here, and of course you can couple and uncouple semi-trailers, of course, via remote control, so very easily. Yeah. And also, let's talk about the Kingpin Finder, which is also a very great security system. What is that about?
Yeah, the Kingpin Finder is a camera integrated into the fifth wheel, so it's like in every car you have a camera for looking into the back, and it's not common in trucks, and so this helps with guided lines. This makes the coupling process really, really easy. That's actually the point, and it's part of our KKS, the automatic coupling system, where the driver doesn't even have to get out of the truck. So it's just everything with remote control, also the electric landing gears, etc.
Sounds absolutely amazing, Lena. So thank you for the insight. We'll have a look at the brakes, and we also see very good insights here at JOST.